Okay, everybody, this is going to be the room tour for that stateroom on the Disney Wish. So I'm going to first walk in. I already have it propped open because I was not about to walk through this again. So I'm going to start off like I did with the room tour for when we were staying at Disney's Wilderness Lodge. That's the front door when you first walk in. This is, you know, standard toilet. Nothing incredibly special about it. By the way, if I say something wrong, I apologize. This is literally the first time I'm walking through here. So, oh, interesting. They have a Sharps container. Never even would have thought of that. A lot of lighting in here. Interesting. Let me shut this. Staying with the right side is the shower. Ooh. I like the shower. I like the tile. Very, very pretty. I mean, for what you need it for just taking a shower, it's not bad. Hi, everyone. Not bad. I like it. Oh, smart move. There's a drain underneath there. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's smart, especially since we have very crazy kids. That's pretty smart. Good job, Disney. All right. So this is the, I guess, the master bed. I think we got a king or a queen. I honestly don't remember. Let me see. Yep, USB plugs and a universal plug. Small little nightstand. Ooh, I didn't realize this until right now. There's Olaf and Sven in the winter frozen. Ooh, there's Elsa's castle. I like this. This is pretty. So, I will say this, I understand it's a stateroom. I get it, I get it, I get it. It is very, very tight feeling. I will admit to that. So if you have like claustrophobia issues, this could be a problem, but I think we'll be okay, hopefully. So, let me see. Yep, USB and Type-C port on this side with two United States plugs. Another nightstand in here. This pulls out to a bed, I'm pretty sure, I think. And then this one also, this one also drops down to have a bunk bed. So Ariella will probably get the top bunk and Shana will probably get the bottom bunk because I don't want her to, you know, fall out. So we were able to get the bunk beds completely done. Like I showed you before, that comes down and that pull-out couch turns into a bed. We got railings on the side of it. I don't know what is this. What is this? Oh, wait. Oh, it's the fairy godmother? Oh. Oh, I get it. I get it. I get it. Wishes will come true and the fairy godmother. I got it. Ella will probably get the top bunk and Shana will probably get the bottom bunk because I don't want her to, you know, fall out. Anna and Elsa, love it. The girls are going to go nuts with that. Let's go outside. So we are still at port right now. Oh. Ooh. It is still warm. It is Florida weather here. Not bad. Right above the track yard though. That's the bridge. I like it. Looks like they're still loading suitcases and whatnot. So, just so everybody knows, just a little bit of wayfinding. When you come in on one of the Academy buses or the Disney Cruise Line buses, you would come in through that side right there, loop back over here, and this is where you'd park. Well, not you, but the buses would park. Then you guys would walk across there, go in through the building, go through security, go up a set of elevators. Then you'll see that big mock-up of a boat. That was in the middle of there. Then you walk through the Mickey tunnel. If I can find an image, I'll post it in there. Then you walk through there, walk through the gangway, and then onto the cruise ship, just so you guys know where we're at. So, nothing incredibly special, just the 2 chairs, and a small table. All right. Oh, another thing, child lock. So unless you have a little bit more oomph, this leaves it completely unlocked. This locks it completely. So if you have any kids. Some storage over here. Big drawers. Woo! Sorry, that was a little aggressive. So if I'm not mistaken, this is not a refrigerator. This is like a chiller, is the best way I can explain it. So it doesn't keep anything refrigerated, quote unquote. But yeah, you could put like probably like cans of soda in there, I'd probably guess, or bottles of water. So anyway, my distilled water for my CPAP machine because I snore. Ooh. Some fun things. Oh, I get this. You want to write a note or anything like that. Ooh, they give you postcards too. That's pretty cool. So, room phone. Trash cans down there. Oh, this is the lanyard and stuff like that, so you can put your room key and stuff like that and wear it around your neck. Oh, there we go. Some of these lights are working. Oh, I see what it is. Oh, I gotcha. So, curtain light. Okay. Ceiling light. Mirror light. Okay, so all of these switches, I kind of just play with this. Like I said, this is the first time I'm walking through here. You click it, and it turns on and off. I gotcha. Phone over there. Trash cans down there. They give you the lanyards, so you can put your room key in. This can go around your neck. Flat screen TV. Some of our backpacks that when we first walked on. This room, this door is meant to go to your adjacent room. So if you're in a large family and you want to go between the rooms, that's what that's for. Ooh, okay. So you have your life vests up here. You have a closet, a ladder. I don't know what the ladder, oh, the ladder is probably for when that comes down for the bunk beds. That's probably what that's for. The other side, you have your standard room safe, just so you guys can see roughly how big it is. You can see the size of my hand. Laundry bags, if you have to do laundry. And then another closet with more life vests. All right, and then we're back at the door. All right, guys, so that was the room tour for our stateroom. I guess this is a one bedroom. I don't know exactly what the terminology is. I'll probably put verbiage down there. Something else I also forgot to say. So every stateroom is built the exact same way. You actually have to put a card in here to turn on the lights for anything in this entire room. And Amy is about to walk through the door, so I'm almost done.
Hello.
So you have to put a card in there for you to keep the lights on in the room. If you take your card out, all the lights in the entire room will shut off. You can put any card. It does not have to be your room key. I didn't put my room key because we both have little magic bands on here. So in any event, guys, thank you very much for the room tour, for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and hit that bell notification. And make sure you guys subscribe because you guys will not see all the fun that we are going to have on the cruise. So please subscribe. Guys, it's nice watching. Thank you for watching and see you real soon.